Head of the Manchester Fire Brigade, Superintendent Emerick Needham, is warning that increasing bush fires are stretching the resources and ability of firefighters to respond to fires. Ongoing dry conditions across Manchester have resulted in a number of bush fires across the parish and neighbouring Trelawny. Now, the fire chief is also urging residents to be more careful and not to burn garbage, especially now that the weather is dry and windy. He noted an increase in house fires in recent times and a shortage of water to adequately respond. The latest incident has left 5 people homeless after the fire destroyed the upper floor of a 2-storey 11-apartment house in Hibernia near Devon Friday evening. The fire department said it received the call about 6:21 and dispatched a unit from the Christiana Fire Station immediately. Firefighters say a stove that was lit and left unattended caused the blaze.